Hi everyone, I'm Steven, and today I'm using cardboard to make the Weasley is Our King pin from the Harry Potter books. It's a really quick project, so let's jump right into it. You're going to need a printout of the design, a small strip of cereal box cardboard, a safety pin, paint, and some glue. So I resized the design from the book into a bunch of different sizes. I picked this particular size that I'm using in the video because it fit the size of the safety pin that I found laying in my drawer. I cut it out and then cut the strip of cereal box cardboard into 4 different pieces. 2 of those pieces were glued together with white glue. The design was taped on top of it with masking tape, and when the glue dried, I took a pen and neatly traced along all the letters that spelled out Weasley is our king. This is going to leave an impression once I take the design off. Then I cut out the crown. This is the thick middle layer. I used scissors for the longer straight lines and a utility knife for the little curvy bits, but I wasn't too careful about getting in all the details. I traced it onto another small piece of cereal box cardboard and drew in the border. And this is where the details mattered, so with a sharp utility blade, this was carefully cut out. I started by cutting out the center first and then the outline, just to make it easier on myself so it wouldn't wobble around. This is going to be the top layer, so the little detailed bits really do matter. Anyway, once that was cut out, super glue stuck it right onto the middle layer. For the back layer, I just loosely traced the crown onto the last piece of cereal box cardboard. This last piece had 2 openings, so the safety pin could be slipped right into it, and I stuck the safety pin in it, and then it was time to finish up the pin. I started by retracing all the letters in pen and painting the crown in a black craft paint. When that dried, I grabbed my light gold craft paint and painted on 2 coats. Each time a coat of paint dried, I retraced the letters. This just helps them remain visible the entire time. And if you make this project, you want to use a black pen. Then I super glued the back layer onto the pin and it was done. You'll see the finished pin in a second. So there you have it, a Weasley is Our King pin made from cereal box cardboard and a safety pin. I always thought it was interesting how the crown design is one of the few designs that are actually printed in the Harry Potter books. It's not like they printed a lot of other designs and pictures, so it kind of makes this pin unique and special. But yeah, it's a cool little pin and I think it looked pretty cool and I'm happy with how it turned out. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.